Starting July 15, 2025, YouTube is upgrading its monetization policy to start its crackdown on channels that are having repetitive content. It's getting serious and no longer business as usual. Starting July 2025, YouTube is going to upgrade, or should I say update, its monetization policy. The idea behind this is to crack down on channels that are consistently repeating the same content or mass producing their content. So if you fall within this category, then it's very important you listen to this and stay to the end of this video to know what to do and what to stop doing. Now listen carefully. If you're in the category of channels that all these items that I have listed, you are already committing these offenses, then you may not be able to monetize if you are yet to be monetized. Now here's the other thing. If you have already been monetized, then you are at risk of losing access to the YouTube Partnership Program, also known as YPP. To add to this, YouTube has already confirmed that this is going to take effect July 15. They have already announced this on the 2nd of July. In fact, the news is all over YouTube. The channel posts reaction clips, AI generated voiceovers, slideshows with little or no commentary. I mean, basically everything that you're doing on your channel is not original or authentic to only you, then you are at risk. Here are a few of the things that you actually need to watch out for. So you keep re-uploading videos that have little or no difference. Your first video, your second video, your third video look almost exactly the same without any change in perspective or real good additional value to the audience, then this is a problem. If you have videos that you keep uploading that are full of AI generated voiceovers, but then there's no life to it, there's no originality to it, there's also a likelihood that you may be at risk. Then if you keep taking content from other people's channels or from different platforms and there's little or no difference, it's just copy and paste, then you are also at risk. And if you keep uploading content using the same thumbnail over and over again with just little or no difference, you keep using the same title, the same topic, or even stealing from other people, then you are at risk. They will be using better detection tools to fish out channels that are breaking these rules worldwide. The question is, why should you care? Many YouTubers are already talking about this upgrade. So you need to know that this is not a rumor or some fake propaganda, and the necessary adjustments need to be made as soon as possible. This is it. From July 15, YouTube is going to start scanning every channel on the platform. Now, by scanning, I mean they're going to be going through your metadata, your about section, your bio, your thumbnails, your description, everything that is on your channel. The small creators are at risk more than the big creators. And it's very obvious why. Because the small creators haven't even built a name for themselves. And then, let's even be honest with ourselves. As a small creator, you know that you rely most times heavily on automated tools because of the cost implications. Since you are not yet monetized, or you've been monetized but they are not really earning good enough money. So for the big creators, they may just get, escape with a simple warning. While you, that is a small creator, your channel will just be wiped away without any opportunity to appeal. So it's best to just stay on the side of caution and look through your channel now without waiting till July 15 to start reviewing your thumbnails, your titles, your content. I mean, entirely everything you do to ensure that the system doesn't wipe you out. Because, I mean, there are millions and billions of people using YouTube. So how many complaints can they possibly attend to? You would have lost your audience, time, money, and a lot of frustration before you even get to be noticed or attended to. The tip here is to survive and stay monetized, or survive and enjoy your journey to monetization without high blood pressure. So here is my 5-step fix. Number 1 is to add your own voice. Don't just copy and paste and dump things and feel like you've done a good job. Add your own opinion, add your own context, add your own shades, make it a bit different, spice it up. Let it just be your own peculiar signature. Don't just leave it like that. Number 2 is to shrink the video source. Add overlays, zoom in, zoom out, reorder, rearrange, put overlays, make it different from the original source. Don't make it look like exactly the same thing. Number 3 is a mistake many creators always do. They never credit the original source of their information or their resources. Always credit them, link to the original, and then add your own perspective to it, so it doesn't look like as if you are republishing. You are not republishing, you are reacting. And number 4 is, please and please stop using the same titles, the same thumbnails, the same descriptions. I mean, people even get tired of seeing the same thing. It makes you lose credibility, it makes you lose trust, and it makes you look like as if you're not putting in enough effort to give value. So you need to adjust this. And of course, be transparent in your dealings, because once your audience don't trust you, then that is even the beginning of the end of your channel. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, what does this real transformation look like? So, for example, look at Cinnamon Toast Ken's reactions. He edits, he adds humors, he adds overlays. In fact, he even adds stories to it. So it's so entirely different and gives a fresh perspective to the videos that he's working on. This is the bar. This is the standard. Take a look at his channel, study how he did it, and then implement on your own. Because, I repeat, it is better you edit or remove than to lose your monetization status. YouTube wants to encourage people being authentic and people being original. This should be your action plan now. Go and audit your top 10 videos. Mark anyone that shows low effort, that is, videos that you barely did any level of editing or you reused them completely. Rework or remove before July 15. And then for future uploads, add your own original voice and edits and reactions. Take your time and do a good job. If after all this you are still confused, you don't know where to start from, you don't know what to do next, download my YPP survival checklist. We need to keep your channel thriving, creative, authentic, and most of all, monetized before July 15 and even after July 15. You can send me a message so I can send you the survivor checklist. Then also you need to join Creator Growth School if you need to have a one-on-one conversation with me so that I can put you through, audit your channel, and tell you what to do.